Good day guys, and welcome back again to this channel. Well, in our last video right here, we talked about how to create a Deriv trading account from scratch. If you find it difficult on how to create this account, I will recommend you watch this video and also drop a comment. If you have questions, you could drop those questions in the comment section below and I will attend to each and every one of them. Well, in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to actually fund your Deriv account for you to begin trading. I'm sorry this video is coming late. I was kind of like preoccupied during the week or weekend, but I am ready to make this video and drop the content. So why don't you sit back and let's begin. So right here, we are already logged into our Deriv account that we created from the last video, and it's still a demo account if you can see right here. So we're going to be creating a real account. I'm going to show you guys the steps on how to do this. I already have an account already, so I might not probably go through the end, but the steps I'm going to show you will definitely make it easier for you guys to get to where I am, and then I'll just show you how to fund the account. So first of all, we're going to click on this hamburger icon here. Then once we do that, we'll click on cashier, then deposit. And once this is going to ask us to create a real account, because we're not going to be funding with a demo account, so we need to create a real account. So we're going to click on add real account. Then once we did this, it's recommending us to choose the fiat currency on how we're going to deposit. So we need to choose one. Depending on where you're located, you could use the USD, euro, pounds. Then we could also use cryptocurrency, Tether, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. Okay, so it's Tether, ERC20, ERC20, and then USDC. But I'm going to be using the LTC because it's much easier and I guess the gas fee is low. So now you're going to provide a document that you need. I like I said earlier, I've already done the registration, so I'm just going to click on I'm going to click on I want to do this later. But if you have your national ID number slip, you could put that here, and then we go over to the next step. Now we're going to provide our details. Your first name, I'm going to just go with John, then Doe, then date of birth. Let me just let's say 2000 October. Then you're now going to provide your additional information, your phone number, place of birth, tax residence, and reason for opening the account. So I'm just going to input anything here. Place of birth, Nigeria. Tax residence, still Nigeria. Then I'm going to skip this tax identification number for now. Then I'm going to go into choose income earning, click on next, then provide your address. I'm just going to say Town City, state of Providence, the province, then zip code, then click on next. So for this, I'm just going to select and click no, then choose this to options, then click on add account. Then I'm going to wait for it to load up. So now my account is ready. It was very simple. If you don't understand, you could slow down the video and see what you missed. So now it's saying fund your account, start trading. Your account is ready, so I can now literally fund my account with Litecoin specifically. I'm going to click on deposit, and it's going to give me my LTC address. So this is it. Now I'm just going to click on deposit cryptocurrency, Litecoin, click on continue. Now this is my Litecoin address. So now I'm going to fund this Litecoin with let's say $8 because we are doing demo, I guess. So we're going to fund it with $8. So I'm going to just copy this and go over to where I want to deposit it from. Sorry. So now to deposit it, I'm going to copy my LTC address. Just click on this copy icon here and then go over to where I want to deposit it from. Close all this. So I have like 8.9 USD here, and first of all I'm going to try and convert this to LTC. So let's see if we can. Okay, so I just bought $8 worth of LTC. Should reflect. So this is it, 0.1091. So now I'm going to withdraw it. It's going to be an on-chain transaction because I'm using Mexi. For some of you, you can use KuCoin or any trading platform, Binance, Gate.io, whatever you're using. Then paste my LTC address here. Make sure it's the same thing. Mine ended 0y7x. I'm going to confirm it here as well, 0y7x. So then I'm going to choose the quantity I want to deposit. Click all, withdraw, remarks, none. So cross check everything, then click on confirm, and then I'm going to also says this address has not been saved in withdraw address list. So it's trying to tell you to make sure that it's actually where you want to deposit to, that it's going. Well, it's the same place because I've confirmed it. And I'm going to click on confirm withdrawal. Then I'm going to now get a code from my email and my phone number. So I'll click on get code and click on get code. So I will input that and get back to you guys. So I have the code right here. Then I'm going to click on confirm, then withdrawal successful. Now we are going to wait for some minutes, I guess. This is when it was made, so we're going to wait for some minutes for transaction to go through. But meanwhile, we can go back here and also be checking here to know if we're going to receive any deposits. Okay, saying we need an account verification, proof of identity, and blah blah. So you can actually do this. But since I already have an account, providing the same details I provided before might not really go well for me. But you guys can actually do that. So while it's depositing, now some of you might want to trade, let's say Euro USD or probably the synthetics. You get like boom and crash, V10, V25, 1S, or any of them. So you're going to choose where you want to. I'm going to be using MT5 actually. I'm going to use an MT5, so I'll just click on. I'm going to choose this first one, then click on get, and I'm going to choose which leverage I need. It's very important to know the leverage you're going to be using because it's very, very important. I don't know, I'm going to basically go for this first one. Because then I'm going to now, it's going to ask me to create an MT5 password. Should I go with this? No, I'm going to choose my own password. So I'm going to put in the password and get back to you guys as well. So with that being said, I've choose my password. Now I'm going to click on create MT5 password, and boom, we've successfully created our correlation. You successfully created your real Deriv MT5 Deriv SVG account to start trading. Transfer your funds from the Deriv account into this account. So now we are actually waiting for our transaction to go through. Okay, I'm seeing here that it has been completed, meaning that we should have received. Okay, yeah, so it has reflected. So now we can, next thing to do, since you've created, remember we went from this open options to the CFDs, that's where we went to. Then we now clicked on the MT5 and clicked on get. So now what we're going to do that is going to transfer our funds LTC to our trading account. Click on transfer funds, then Litecoin to Deriv SVG. Then I'm going to choose all, that is 100%. Then click on transfer. So it's done. Now you're asking, okay, now how can I access this on my MT5? I'm going to show you that as well. So what you're going to do is click on this open, and here you have your broker, your server, and your login ID, and then the password you created when you are creating the Deriv account. That is basically it. So I'm going to, what you need to do is to copy this login ID and your password and then paste in your MT5 account. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go into our MT5, then allow, accept, cancel. Now I want to show you guys something. You're going to go over to the settings section and then click on trade accounts, then click on this plus icon here, and now you're going to search. You say it's enter company or server name. Now remember what I told you guys about this server. So you can copy this server and go over to MT5 and just paste it there, and this is it. Now you're going to copy your login ID like I mentioned earlier, this one, and then paste it here. Now you're going to put in your password. So once you click that, you click on done, and boom, you've successfully funded your account with whatever you want to fund with. $100, $1,000, hundreds of thousands of dollars. I trust you guys are ballers. So now we have step index, boom and crash, V10, V25. This is basically what I do. So for some of you asking, maybe you want to trade the Euro USD or probably the Aussie dollar, whatever you want to trade, then I'm going to show you guys how to actually do that. Like, it's also very simple. Remember, we've created this financial SVG, this one right here. This Deriv is for the synthetics like the boom and crash, the volatility 10. But this financial now deals with the Euro USD, the Aussie, whatever I want to trade it with. So just like we did for this Deriv SVG, click on get. So also we'll do for this financial, click on get, and then click on open. That is after you've created the accounts, just like we did in the previous one. So what you're going to do is going to copy this server, Deriv SVG server. You copy it and go over to your MT5, go to the settings and click on this place as well, then click on the plus icon and then paste the server here, then click on it. Now notice something, this one has a Deriv SVG server 02, but here we just have Deriv SVG server, no number. So you're going to click on this and select the last one. Do you understand? So we're now going to copy our login ID and paste here, then put in our password as well. And click on done. So now we are logged in. Why we don't have any more here is because we didn't actually deposit in this, but I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So to show you that we are already in the Euro USD, whatever, we have the gold USD, whatever you want to do. There's plenty of them actually. So I can just trade, delete this. I don't need all this. To add the ones I need, I click on this pencil icon. Sorry, the search. I mean the search. Then you have Forex major, Forex minor. The Forex major, you have the all the JPY, Euro, all the Euro card, Euro pounds, Euro JPY, Euro USD, whatever you want to add. Just simply click on the plus icon and add the one you want to add. Go back for the minors. You have the or this one. Anyway, you want to add, just click on the plus icon. You could even trade the crypto depending on your broker actually. So we have a lot of them, BTC to USD, and the metals where you can get the gold USD. We already added that, so click on cancel once you're done, and this is it, all you've added. Just click on it, click on charts, and it's going to load up, and then you can start trading. So we have like two accounts now, one with 8.7, which is the boom and crash volatility, then which is not that volatile, unlike VIT50. So this is a minute. Okay, so this is just what I want to show you guys while that is loading. So if you have any questions, just drop it in the comment section below. And like I said, I'm going to show you guys how to put money into the other one. It's just very simple. Go over to the transfer, because you're already using the synthetics. That's the first one. Then click on this place here, and then click on here and just move it back to LCC. Basically, click on all, click on transfer. It's that simple. Boom, you've moved it. Then go over to the financials and click on transfer. Then, because remember we have the Deriv SVG and the financial SVG. The Deriv SVG is for the synthetics, the boom and crash, and the V10, while the financial is now for the Euro USD, gold USD, whatever you want to trade. So we want to deposit in the financials, so you can see, click on all, operate MT5 depending on how much you want to deposit there. Then click on transfer, and it's done. So once we go over to our this is our boom and crash, that is the Deriv SVG. We don't have any money there. If we go over to the second one, guess we should see some funds here. See some funds, but just know that you're going to be, I don't know why they collect gas video, but this is the gold USD. So see deposited, anyhow it's going to be, is still here that you do all those things. So ensure you don't lose your account details. Ensure you don't lose that actually, because it's not, you can get them back, like your password, you can actually get it back, but just keep it safe. So what do you guys think about this video? Let me get to comment section below. If you like this video, please subscribe to encourage us. Share this video, like it, share to your friends that also are confused on what to do. And if you I'm going to leave a link in the description below. If you want to sign up for the Deriv account, the link is going to be in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if it's interesting. See you guys in the next video. Bye.